Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how beginners can use Skool to make money online. It's simple, community-based, and yeah, you don't need advanced skills to get started. First, go to Skool and sign up for an account. Once you're in, create your own community. This is where your audience will join and interact with your content. Next, pick a niche. This could be fitness, business, freelancing, or anything people want to learn. The more focused your niche, the easier it is to attract members. Now, start adding value. Create posts, lessons, or courses inside your community. You can share tips, tutorials, or exclusive content that people are willing to pay for. Here's where you make money. Set up a paid membership. You can charge monthly fees for access to your content and community. The more value you provide, the more people will join. Finally, promote your community. Share it on social media, YouTube, or through email. As more people join, your income grows over time. And that's it. Using Skool to make money online is really that simple. Pick a niche, create value, and build your community. Then grow your income step by step.